The body of the Liberation War veteran known as Comrade Geza departed South Africa on Friday evening, beginning a solemn overnight journey back to Zimbabwe, where supporters expected to line major highways to pay their last respects. Sanabina Mashu Wachinze, Geza's body departs South Africa. The supporters prepare to line procession route. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timida pa takabata daily. Manubatara pamsoro aiwa pekudipata kuleta Geza's body from South Africa ichipinda mnyika ya Zimbabwe. Mangwa ini mobile Wachinze. Family representatives confirmed that the cottage left at 7 p.m. and is expected to arrive at Beitbridge border post at approximately 6 a.m. on Saturday. From Beitbridge, the procession will travel north through Masvingo, Mvuma, Gweru, Kwekwe Kadoma, Chegutu, and Norton before reaching Harare. Organizers have called all Zimbabweans to gather along the route in what they described as a celebration of a life defined by sacrifice. Supporters are expected to assemble at key stop points as the HAASI makes its way towards the capital. Geza will ultimately be laid to rest at his rural homestead in Sanyati. Funeral arrangements are being coordinated by family members, with further updates to be issued as the procession progresses. Toma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pamsoro aiwa kwekudipata kwebodi ya Comrade Geza, a liberation war fighter. Muna section medu za funguro aimo to deep pamsoro pechit kwich. So, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.